Okay, hello everyone. We're going to solve equations with brackets, but that also involves collecting like terms. If you're going to do this as a little challenge to yourself, I recommend you pause the video now, try these questions, and then work through with me after you've given them a go. So let's have a look at this first question here. When you see brackets, like we've got here, we've got brackets, you need to expand them if there's anything else happening in the equation, and this one is. So we're going to go 5 times x and 5 times 7. So the 5 times x is 5x, 5 sevens are 35, and this 3x is also part of the equation, but it's just sitting there along with everything else, equals 19. Now we need to go, what can we collect that's like terms? So the 5x and the 3x, include that sign, are like terms. So 5x and 3x is 8x plus the 35 equals 19. Now you've got something like you've seen before. What happened to the x? It got multiplied by 8, and then we had 35 added to it. So to undo it, you minus 35 first, and then you divide by 8. So let's take away the 35 from both sides. And you end up with 8x is equal to 19 minus 35 is minus 16. So we've done that, and now we need to divide by 8. Divide both sides by 8, divide by 8, x is equal to minus 2. And remember, you can always check your answer by substituting it back into the equation. Okay, so that's that one done. Let's change colour. Let's do purple. So let's do the second one here. Remember, if we see brackets, we need to expand them, especially when there's other things going on. So 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 2 is 8, but it's a minus 2, so it's minus 8. And that minus 10 has nothing to do with the brackets. It's just sitting there on the end. Okay, we need to collect like terms. What are the terms that are like? On the same side of the equal sign, the like terms are this minus 8 and this minus 10. So we need to put those together. Minus 8 minus 10 more is minus 18. So the 12x is still there. 12x minus 18 equals 30. Now you've got something like you've seen before. What happened to the 12? What happened to the x? Sorry, got times by 12, and then you took away 18. So to go in reverse, you have to add 18 and then divide by 12. So let's add the 18 to both sides. Add 18 there, add 18 there. Okay, so we're left with 12x is equal to 48. Now divide by 12, x is equal to 4. Remember, you can test your 4 up there and see if it works. Okay, last one. Choose a different color. Let's go green. Okay, 52 plus 18x plus 5 outside of 5 times 4x and 5 times minus 1. Now that 52 is just sitting there on the left-hand side. We leave it there. That 18x is just sitting there. It's got nothing to do with the brackets. Now, what we do have to expand our brackets though. Now we've got 5 times 4x, which is 20x, and 5 times 1, but it's not just a 1, it's a minus 1, so it's minus 5. Now, again, we want the like terms on the same side here at the equal sign to come together. We've got 18x and plus 20x. They need to come together. So what is 18x plus 20x? It is 38x, 52 over here, and the minus 5 still over there. Now, you've got something like you've seen before. What happened to the x? It got times by 38, and then we took away 5. How do we undo that? We add the 5 and divide by 38. Let's add the 5 to both sides of the equation first. 52 plus 5 is 57. The 5's go, and we're left with 38. Then divide by 38. And we just normally write our pronumeral on the left-hand side. So I'm just switching sides. X is equal to, what's 57 divided by 38? It's 1.5. And we're done.